Today I'm making the English classic Scotch egg. It's super easy. This is a really quick video to show you how I do it, and they're best eaten cold. They are delicious. I'm Maria from Organise My Life, and every week I release a new YouTube video on organisation, lifestyle and general hacks. So please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Right, let's go. So you need good quality pork sausages. These are 80% pork and they've got a really great taste to them because I've used them before. I then have some beaten eggs with a bit of milk in. I have some cold boiled eggs, and lastly some plain breadcrumbs. So I'm simply removing the sausage meat from the actual cases. I also like to taste check the sausage meat to make sure it has enough seasonings in. These ones I find always need a little bit more pepper, so definitely do a taste test first. So just mix in all the pepper, making sure it is completely all combined in. And then now you want to take a little bit of the sausage meat, make a patty in your hands, and then pop the egg inside the patty and just make sure the egg is completely covered. You always have little gaps, so just make sure you use the sausage meat to seal it. Once you've got like a nice ball shape, you can then pop it inside the egg and milk mixture and just move it around. And then you want to then put it inside the breadcrumbs and just completely cover your ball, and that's it. It's that easy. Now you want to place your oil in the pan. You need quite a bit. If you have a deep fat fryer, then this is fantastic. You'll get a nice even golden look to them, but I don't. So I just shallow fry mine, and I use the tongs with the rubber ends so you don't make any dints in them. And you just need to keep turning them until you get a bit of colour on all of the sides. Now you're not cooking them, you are literally just browning the sides. They are going to go into the oven next. Once they've got an even colouring, take them out and put them onto a metal rack and put some foil underneath, because you will find that the oil will spill through onto the bottom. Now when you do the next batch, be aware because the oil will be very hot, so turn it down, and these will brown a lot quicker than the first batch do, as you can see. So this won't take as long as the first one. Pop them in a preheated oven on the top shelf on 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And once ready, let them cool completely if you can resist. Kids, who wants some Scotch eggs?
Thank you. Taste. Also.
Good, aren't they? Oh, well. You're definitely going to try it. Good kids?
Yeah.